A global AI summit was recently hosted in India. In the age of AI, what kind of education do we need? I'm Ashvir Sangha, and I studied at Oxford University, where I was elected president of the Oxford Union. My brother studied at Cambridge University, and together we co-founded Sangha Academy. We've been educating young people for over a decade. But I'm here in India to interact with an organization that has been doing this for nearly 3 decades, Agastya International Foundation. Agastya is difficult to describe. They truly bring learning to life with a dynamic and experimental culture that fuels creativity and innovation. They aim to unlock what they call aha, and haha moments of curiosity, creativity, and joy for learning. They reach 7 million young people a year across 24 of India's states and aim to engage 100 million by 2032, all at remarkably low cost with remarkably high impact. Hundreds of passionate educators called igniters, mobile science and innovation labs in the form of buses and motorbikes, transformational teacher training programs, centers co-located with schools, night village schools, and a beautiful 170-acre campus 2 hours from Bangalore where young people get inspired and solve real-world problems. The incredible variety of elements at the campus encourage a multidisciplinary mindset.
We have been suffering from using commercial sanitary pads. It causes itching, rashes and so many health issues.
You developed the product, it's got better and better, right?
First, we placed a cotton cloth as the bottom layer. Second, we placed a bioplastic made from starch powder. Again, we placed a neem and coconut oil treated banana fiber on top of it. Last, we placed a cotton. Again, we placed a cotton cloth.
I saw a person in the railway station without arms and legs, me and my brother, sir, and he is sitting on the normal chair and he was being fed by a woman who appeared very tired and frustrated. So this incident bothers me a lot to do something for this type of people.
Today we are here to present our project, Innovative Intelligent Toilet System for Schools, a smart hygiene-based solution for schools.
We don't go to the toilet because the toilet is very smelly and nobody flushes the toilet. We realized that the issue was not just that, it affected health, comfort, confidence and dignity of children. This empathy became the starting point of our innovation journey.
So back to the question we began with. In the age of AI, what kind of education do we need? If AI takes care of tasks from the mundane to the complex, humans will seek out meaning in new ways. I believe that we will lean in more than ever to that which makes us most human. Let's foster our sense of creativity, confidence and entrepreneurial spirit. Let's learn how to live in harmony with nature, and let's come together in person in real communities where we help each other to flourish.